Hey guys, we have here our JBL Flip 6, and in this video we want to explain to you how to use the PartyBoost mode with this speaker. So PartyBoost allows you to connect multiple speakers together and they're going to play the same music at the same time. And every speaker that has this PartyBoost symbol on it, here the one that looks just like the infinity sign, that is going to be able to be connected here with our Flip 6. So first we have here the previous model, the Flip 5, that also has the same symbol here, right at the same spot actually. So we're going to connect this later on. And then we also have here the JBL Pulse 4. When we take a look at the top of the speaker, then there we find the same symbol. So this one has PartyBoost built in as well. And then we also have here the JBL Flip 4, and when we take a really close look at this one, then you're going to see they do have some similar icon here, this one here right next to the power button. But you see, this is not the PartyBoost button, this is Connect Plus, and this is a different technology, and unfortunately we're not going to be able to connect this Flip 4 with PartyBoost and play them all together. Okay, so now let us begin, and the first thing you have to do, of course, is to turn on all three speakers that we want to connect. And at this point, it is very important that only one of those speakers that we want to connect together is going to be paired with our smartphone at this time. So right now you see here, we have the Flip 6 connected to my iPhone here. And the other two speakers are not connected to my iPhone, but also they're not connected to anybody else's phone like the ones from our friends. Then the next step is to enable PartyBoost on our Flip 6. We can either do this by pressing the PartyBoost button on the speaker, or if you do like a more visual way, then we can alternatively do this in the JBL Portable app. Once the app recognizes the Flip 6, then we're going to find the PartyBoost option at the bottom of the screen, and we're going to select this. In the following screen we can then enable PartyBoost, and now our Flip 6 is trying to connect to additional speakers. So first let us connect the Flip 5 by pressing the PartyBoost button on this speaker. And shortly after we heard the jingle, the two speakers should be connected and we have the visual confirmation in the Portable app. Now let us also repeat the same step here with the Pulse 4. We're going to press the PartyBoost button here, we hear the jingle, and also now this speaker is connected and visually confirmed here in the app. But instead of saying Flip 5 and Pulse 4, at this point it just says plus more. Okay, so at this point our setup is completed and we can start playing our music, and it's coming out of all three speakers. Let me show you this. You can't really hear it in the video, but when I show you the passive radiators on the Flip 6 here. So this is the one that's connected to the phone. So you see the passive radiator moves as the music is playing, and then the same here with the Flip 5. See, this is vibrating as well. And then also here the Pulse 4. I don't know, right now it doesn't really move much because of the music, but you see here the animation of the speaker of the lighting here is also enabled, so that means this one is playing as well. But there's one more feature in regards to PartyBoost that we have not talked about yet, and that is the stereo mode. This feature is only accessible through the JBL Portable app, and we find this here in the center of the screen. And as the name suggests, this mode allows two speakers to play in stereo. But one really important detail in regards to the stereo mode is that it only works when you have two of the exact same speakers. So in this example we would have to have two Flip 6 in order to enable stereo mode. But right now we do have a Flip 6 and a Flip 5 to connect it together, and this will not allow us to use stereo mode. So when we try to enable it, we're going to see here this pop-up telling us that we're not able to use stereo mode. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.